Getting the solution to water management correct is important simply because it's not a question of price, it's a question of cost. We want to deliver the right piece of equipment, the most efficient piece of equipment, the most effective piece of equipment. If you do it right the first time, the investment that you make is an investment that you receive tenfold as you move through the future. Indonesia does have a significant amount of rain. The issue with that water when it's captured in a pit is that it stops you from mining the materials you need to take from that location. What we do is come up with a total solution for the site. Our approach is to understand what our client is looking to achieve and then developing a system around those needs. First step is about collecting information. Once we've collected that information, we bring it back here and with our senior management team, we start to develop a solution for the client.
Clients don't always take into account the true cost of pumping, and that is fuel or the energy burn and being inefficient. It all comes back down to application and pump selection at the front end. That should give you the best performance overall.
Once we've developed that solution for the client, we'll go back to our client with a quotation, and then if that's acceptable to the client, then we go into the development of the equipment we need for the job. We have an in-house shop to build all of the necessary components to the standard that our client requires, to get all of that equipment together in the location, and then on the set date that we've committed to the client, we take all of that fleet at the site with an assembly crew. Specialist crew go to site, install it in the client's location and commission the piece of equipment for the client. We have our personnel here in constant communication with the client to make sure that the client is happy with what they're receiving. If circumstances are changing, we're proactively working with the client to make those changes.
When we receive the pumps back from projects, some of them in pretty poor condition from the acid type water, mud, cleaning, we go through a service program and have a drop dead date of when we want the gear to go back out to work.
REL menyediakan program pelatihan terperinci kepada pengguna akhir kami. Ini termasuk staf REL dan staf klien kami. Pelatihan ini termasuk komponen teoritis dan komponen praktis. Seluruh pelatihan dilakukan dengan ketat sesuai dengan spesifikasi dan rekomendasi pabrikan, mencakup operasional dan pemeliharaan.
REL, it's all about team. It's the most integral part of this business. We don't look at our company as an asset provider. Our assets are the people that work for us. Everyone has a role to play in the business, and we look for specialists to undertake those roles so we can deliver a more thorough service to our client. The REL brand on anything is important to us. If it's going to go out of here, it needs to look like it's REL. It needs to look like someone cares. If you're going to get that piece of equipment, you want the very best that you can get. You want the right piece of equipment that's going to deliver everything you need. And that's what we focus on, is delivering that to our client.